Welcome to the second part of our top 10 questions for customer engineers. Let's jump right into it. Question number 6. How does Google secure my data?
We encrypt at rest and in transit. Our infrastructure doesn't rely on any single technology to make it secure. We've designed security of our infrastructure in layers that build upon each other, from the physical security of the data centers to the security protections in our hardware and software to the processes we use to support operational security. This layered protection creates strong security as a foundation for everything we do. Data stored on our infrastructure is automatically encrypted at rest by default and distributed for availability and reliability. We also support customer-managed encryption keys using Cloud KMS and customer-supplied encryption keys. Communication over the internet to our cloud services are encrypted. The scale of our infrastructure allows us to absorb many denial of service attacks, and we have multiple layers of protection that further reduce the risk of any DDoS impact. Finally, our operations team detects threats and responds to incidents around the clock.
Security is important, and applications are often business critical to our customers, so they need to be confident that Google Cloud is reliable and scalable. Question number 7. Is Google ready for the enterprise?
That is a great question that every customer should be asking. And we got lots of customers to answer that one for us. You can read what they have to say about this by going to cloud.google.com/customers. You'll see that folks from Charles Schwab and the Chicago Department of Transportation to Johnson & Johnson and the National Institute on Aging have all decided that Google Cloud is reliable, scalable, and secure enough for them. Analysts agree with them. For example, Forrester just named Google Cloud a leader in their public cloud platform native security report. This all just goes to show our combination of world-class infrastructure, research and thought leadership, and folks just like these customer engineers next to me all add up to making Google Cloud the place to run enterprise workloads.
That sure makes us feel better about running business-critical applications on GCP. But on to question 8. How do I control my cloud costs?
We have many ways to help you estimate and control your costs. You're always able to use the pricing calculator to help estimate what your workload costs might look like once you're on the cloud. Once you're up and running, your instances and services can be labeled to help organize your resources. Billing data can be exported to BigQuery in order to review and analyze what you're spending in case the default bills aren't descriptive enough. Plus, you can set up budgets and alerting from your cloud console to warn you well ahead of time before you spend your budget.
Oh, I've dropped my contacts.
Oh, we'll help you.
And we're back. Let's see, where were we? That's right, question number 9. What is a managed service and what problems does it solve?
Well, a managed service is exactly what it says on the box. It's a set of services or products where Google takes care of the upkeep and maintenance. Since its inception, Google has put a strong focus on marrying open source technologies with fully managed services. While we focus on the maintenance, you get the product that truly stands out, allowing you to refocus your engineers' time from a maintenance-centric approach to a feature-focused strategy that ensures your time and effort are being spent on the things that will set your application and company apart from the rest. A good example of this no-ops approach is best shown when we discuss the concept of live migrations. With Google Cloud, we seamlessly migrate your instance to another machine during Google's hardware maintenance events so that you don't suffer any downtime. Most of our users don't even notice.
Finally, drumroll please. Question number 10. What makes GCP special?
Well, us, of course. And in addition, Google Cloud Platform differs in a variety of ways, including our security model, which is an end-to-end process built over 15 years of experience, keeping our customers safe on Google apps like Gmail. We offer a global network. Our network backbone has thousands of miles of fiber optic cable using advanced software-defined networking and edge caches globally to deliver fast, consistent performance. We also live and breathe big data. We contributed to innovations like MapReduce, Bigtable, and Dremel, and new frameworks for data warehousing and machine learning, even batch and real-time data processing. Our solutions are serverless, and they let you take advantage of the years of research that we've done. And we offer compute engine billing by the second, so you don't have to pay for compute minutes that you don't use. And of course, we are environmentally friendly, and our data centers run on half of the energy of a typical data center. In 2017, we purchased 100% renewable energy to match our consumption for our global operations.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below.
And if you'd like to get in contact with us, click on the link in the description.
Whew.